Hi guys, it's a new video and it's going to be on white noise online. It's pretty much like Slender, so I've heard. Oh, my goodness. Oh, correct. Right, so I'm trying to. It's like a call actually. I've tried. Right, so yeah, please like if you're on Xbox if you want to mess around with me. More if you want to join a crew called Monkey City or something, got a monkey must join. So yeah, and please subscribe for more games and yes, I will do it. I just need to find a bloody thing. Oh, it's funny that. Right, you know what? I'm just gonna start it. We'll go on whatever. I'll just get an interesting. We'll go on it's taken up this. Um, I'm not sure. I think about a day to download. It's because it kept like. I downloaded it from the start and then it just like stopped. And then I don't know what happened. I tried to sort it out and then it downloaded finally. But anyway, yes. It's actually cool. I've never seen that many stars in the sky in the night. I've actually never seen that many stars. Why is this small? That's a tip, isn't it? That is a tip. Oh, like a boss. Like a freaking bang, 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 bang. Damn you, person who's just been absolutely. That's just kind of scared. It seems fucking weird. Oh, come on, please. Where's the key? Right. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the freak was that? What the? Oh my god! Piss off! Piss off! Piss off! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Sorry about the girlfriend. That was gay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Go suck a big fat dick, you money. Yeah, big fat minger. Seriously. God. Listen, you can't spawn in water, can you? Big fat dick. It's gonna spawn behind me. Let's go. Oh my god! Shit! Oh! Fuck you, you bastard! Go suck your own dick! Like, seriously! Fuck this. God! You're allowed to try and take this. Just piss off! I don't want anything to do with you. Just go away and we'll all be fine, won't we? And you can go, like, travel off somewhere. I might even turn off the flashlight. Because I won't be able to see them. Oh, that looks shitty. Oh my god, stop running out of breath! God! You're hardly walking! You're hardly running, sorry. Like, what? Wow. Wow. Physics in this game of shit. Oh my god. I mean, what kind of tree is that? It's flying, isn't it? It also flying. Oh my god! Oh my god! Suck a big fat dick! Piss off! Wrong way, wrong way. Come on! Just piss. Oh my god! Piss off! Just go away! Why is there a headless woman with smoke? You like it? They were bigger. Oh, damn, damn. I hear a tape. I hear a tape. Where's this goddamn tape? I see a tape. Yes, two! Alright, don't bother now, because I'll never get to two. I bet after I'll just get to like 0 or something, I'm gonna die. Seriously, piss off. That's actually pretty scary. Not as bad as Slender, but God. Wow. I got told by someone and then I downloaded it. It's like 69 perfect. It's still recording, everything's still recording. So if you can't see it that well, right? I can't actually see it that well. Really bad thing, blurry shit. I think that's the way it's meant to be anyway. Oh shit. Right. You piss off, you muscly bastard, you steroid. Little taking freak, seriously. Taking steroids and get away. Oh, you just piss off, right? You just piss off, right? I'm not actually scared of him anymore. I just hate him so much. You know what? Such a dick. Now I can't see you. That's better. At least I can't see you anymore. Then you're not a bastard. And like, popping up on me. I could still see you, bro, if I swing. But like, at least it will like, at least I won't see him. Hopefully. Oh my god. There will be a gaming video, I think on GTA, please. Oh, I thought, God, you know what? You scream like you. Oh, yeah! Did you hear his scream then? Did you hear his scream? That can't have been mine. That can't have been my player. No, that can't have been it. Oh my god, that can't have been my player. Sorry guys, about the screen. I can't believe that. That can't be it. Oh my god. So it's Summer Hamlin. True. Sorry guys, about this. I don't want to pitch him, so it's like a big fat dick. Piss off. Spamming me. I don't care. Just leave me alone. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna end it here. Right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe and comment again, tell me if you want to mess around or GC or you want to join a crew. Thank you. And goodbye.